Hey there, welcome to my video demo for the project I have been working on called Snackman. It is a web-based game that draws inspirations from the classic Pac-Man. I created it for assignment 2 in our web development class. The whole point of this project was to put what we have learned about HTML, CSS and JavaScript into actions by building an interactive web app. The main aim of Snackman is to craft a fun and engaging experience that highlights how we can use the DOM, manage events, and style everything together seamlessly. The game showcases basic gaming mechanics, animations, and user interactions, just plain JavaScript. No libraries, frameworks are involved. For this project, I used HTML for layout of the web page, CSS for design and the layouts, and JavaScript for all the game's logic and interactivity. By not using any external frameworks or library, I have full controls over everything from structures to logic. Let's dive into user interface. Okay. Yep. When you load up the games, you will see a cool retro header saying Snackman, along with a start screen featuring the game icons. The gameplay happens on a grid or canvas that pop up once you hit the start button. The visuals are pretty straightforward and they take advantage of what your browser can render. I have added images like the game icons to keep that old school vibe alive. In these games, you steer Snackman through a maze picking up items while dodging foes just like a Pac-Man. You can control him using the arrow keys on the keyboard or arrow directions given in the screen. Yeah. Each time you press a key, JavaScript grabs that input and moves Snackman accordingly. I handle collision detections, movement logic, and score tracking all in JavaScript. The gameplay goes on until either all Snackmans are gathered or Snackmans gets caught. While whichever comes based on how it's set up. Now let's peek into code real quick. In index.html, I have laid out the main elements of the game along with the links, CSS, and the JavaScript. Yeah. Style CSS Style CSS styles everything using fixed box and other layout techniques so it looks good on different screen sizes. Most of the logic is packed in the JavaScript, which contains event listeners for key presses, a loop that updates where Snackman is, functions for swapping snacks or enemy, check for collisions or win or lose scenarios. The code is organized nicely. Functions are split up based on their specific rules, making it easy to follow along. One challenge was getting smooth flare movements and collision detections without relying on any engines or converts tricks. It took some careful manipulations of the DOMs plus CSS transitions to nail it down. Add more levels. Looking ahead, I love to add more levels or ramp up difficulty as you play. Throw in sound effects and the leaderboards. Revamped my codes with modern JS features like classes or modules. To wrap things up, working on Snackman has been an awesome way to blend core web development skills into creating a simple yet enjoyable games. Through this, my projects, I have really solidified my knowledge of the DOM manipulations, event handlings, and the styling methods. Thanks for watching, uh, for checking out this demo. Hope you had much fun exploring it as I did creating it. Thank you.